In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN on a Hisense Smart TV. Here I have a Hisense Smart TV running the Android operating system, but if you're using any other Hisense Smart TV like the VDA version or a Roku-based Hisense TV, I'll also show you an alternative way to use a VPN on those. If your TV has the Android OS like this one, setting up a VPN is fairly simple. All you need to do is open the App Store on your TV, launch the Google Play Store, and in the top search bar, type the name of the VPN you want to use. One of the most popular options for Android TV is Proton VPN. Search for Proton VPN, and when it appears, install it. Once installed, open the VPN app and sign in. To do that, click on Sign In. For Proton VPN, you'll need to visit protonvpn.com/TV on your mobile device or computer. Select a plan and enter the code displayed on your TV into the browser. Once that's done, you'll be logged in on your TV. There are other VPNs available as well. You can browse the Play Store and explore other options, including free ones. Try them out and see which one works best for you. For Hisense Android TVs, this is the easiest way to install and use a VPN without any issues. However, if you're using a Hisense TV with the VDA OS or Roku OS, which don't support VPN apps directly, you can still use a VPN by installing it on your mobile device or router and connecting your TV to that network. This way, your TV will share the VPN connection. To do this with your phone, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for a VPN app you like. Let's continue with Proton VPN as before. Install and set up the VPN on your phone, sign in, and connect to a server in your preferred country. Next, turn on your phone's hotspot. On your Hisense TV, go to Settings arrow, Network Settings, and connect to your phone's hotspot. Now, your TV will be using the VPN connection from your phone. You can also set this up using a router, install the VPN directly on your router, connect your TV to that router, and it will automatically use the VPN connection. That's how to use a VPN on any Hisense Smart TV. Setting up a VPN on your Hisense Smart TV can unlock a world of content and enhance your privacy. While Hisense TVs don't support VPN apps directly, you can easily configure one on your router or share it from another device. I recommend NordVPN for its reliability and speed. Check out the link in the description to get started with NordVPN and enjoy a safer, more secure streaming experience.